Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Sunday morning, and I'm getting a little bit of a late shave today. Today's shave soap is Blue Samhain, or some people may say Blue Samhain thumbnail. And this is a beautiful scent. This is one of my favorites. And this one is the CK1 version. And as you can see, I'm getting down to the bottom of the tub. The scent notes on that is, to me, a sandalwood with a burnt sugar and then a pumpkin. And then there's the oak aged barrel kind of scent to it, and some bourbon. And man, it just screams fall time. But for me, it's an all year round. As you can see, the tub is getting empty. I can't wait for that to come back this year. Every year I buy another tub, so I've got a couple of tubs of it, so I don't really need it, but I'm gonna keep buying it every year. I've got it lathered up here in the Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using this PAA brush, which is the Solar Flare, and look at the lather. Oh man, nice and fluffy. If you throw this into a scuttle with warm water, oh man, it really comes to life. I told you on Sunday, or Saturday, not Saturday. Boy, my mind is all over the place. On the last shave video on Wednesday, I had said I was going to be switching gears into scents, and this is one of the scents I'm going to be using a lot more often. Putting Droid Black on the back burner for a little bit. All right. Today's razor is going to be the Apollo Lite, and you can see the head is very slim. That's why they call it the light version. I have a Gillette super thin blade in it. I'm going to warm up the razor here in a bowl full of hot water and get going with pass number 1 with the grain. If you guys noticed, I had 3 days worth of growth there. Buttery smooth, very nice. I do miss the CK1 version. For some reason, I guess because I had used it so much, I was very comfortable with it. And the CK1 formula was a little bit different, so it took a little bit of adjusting. But both formulas are great. CK1's no longer available. Unless you can buy it used or secondhand. I did use 1/4 teaspoon and about 13 milliliters of water. So this soap is a little bit bloopier. You can probably see it starting to come off the razor, or try to. I have a couple trees in my yard that is already dropping leaves. A little bit surprising. Kind of went through a little bit of a heat wave and then cool, and then in the mornings or at nighttime it's been getting kind of chilly. So I guess Mother Nature knows best. Comment below and let me know, have you used Blue Samhain, or have you looked at the scent profile and thought, maybe this is a little bit too gourmand for me. When I originally bought this soap, I can't really remember exactly what I thought about a pumpkin scented soap, if I would really like it or not, because it kind of sounds like maybe something I may not like. But that was in the stage of I'm going to buy everything I see, I'm going to buy it and try it. And luckily this one worked out great for me. If I wasn't in that mode of thinking, I may not have bought it, and I would have missed out on a great scent. That's my story. Not a whole lot new going on here. Same old, same old. I feel like I can tell that the season or the weather is changing. My back is a really great indicator for weather. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. Boy, that knocked it down real nice. Close. Oh. And I grabbed this bottle. I don't think it's the one that goes with this particular one. My original bottle that I had with this soap, I had dropped it one time and it put a crack down the side. And I thought it was okay. And then one day, I love the actual scent of the splash. The soap kind of hides the real scent, at least for me. But anyway, the crack down the side, I still have the bottle. But it started leaking a little bit. Not a whole lot, but just enough that I had to find an empty bottle of something else. I'll show it on Wednesday's video, because I'll be using the same soap again, but with a different razor. All right, I'll put a picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on Wednesday's shave. You have a great rest of your weekend. Hey, where'd you go? You can't get that excited. You gotta put on the star jelly. I was thinking about that awesome scent. I'll throw this in just after the outro. So if you're seeing it, thanks for sticking around.